go ahead and get started here. On the front of the box it says TP-Link, expand your Wi-Fi network. On the side here it shows a nice picture of the smart signal indicator. On the back you can see typical locations where it's suggested to be put in your home. And then on this side it says basically N300 24/7 support. And then on the bottom we've got the serial model number. And on the top it says 2-year warranty, by the way, as well as TP. Let's go ahead and get started by opening up the box here. And I've just grabbed my favorite pocket knife, and let me go ahead and do this quickly. I'm going to speed up the video so that we don't waste too much time taking the plastic wrapping off of the box itself. And once that's done, we'll toss that paper, or that plastic rather, over to the side and go ahead and open up the box. It slides up and then we have access to what's inside. And the packaging is very impressive, in a nice little wrap there. I'm impressed. Useless, but I'm impressed. And then we got Get Stronger Wi-Fi where you want it. And then on the back it gives you some additional PR information. Okay. Alright, the Wi-Fi extender itself is nicely packaged. There is a lot to be said about protecting electronic components when boxing things up, and I do like that. Okay, let's go ahead and take this plastic wrap off of the Wi-Fi extender so that we can take a nice look here, close-up look rather. You get the power light, and then about 20 to 30 seconds later you'll get a wireless light that gets lit. Open up an internet browser, and we can go ahead and right click on our Wi-Fi icon, and once we do you can see that I'm presently connected to P-Router, tplinkrepeater.net. If yours does not, go to that address, or that link rather, and once you're there it'll prompt you for a user ID and password. Now this is the default user ID and password for the TP-Link, which is admin. And you can go ahead and click on login, and that takes you to the next page where you are prompted to create a new user ID or username and password. Username, and I'll create a new and different password here, and it's smart to make it at least 8 characters, and then confirm and click on confirm, and then it goes and scans for all available Wi-Fi networks that are near me. And then again, if you leave it blank, it does not want to move forward, so you have to type in the Wi-Fi password for your network. And then it turns around and gives you an opportunity to change the name of the extender from the default of, in my case, pprouter_ext. And I'm changing it to Ocean 11. You can change it to any name you like, or take the default name. And keep in mind that the extender's 2.4 gigahertz password is the same as your host password, or the password that you use to make a connection on your Wi-Fi network. And then click on next to move forward, and you get this diagram that shows you your primary router name and password, and the range extender's SSID name and password. And then you can go ahead and click on save, and then it will go ahead and save all those settings that we just made to the TP-Link. That it's done, and I can click on finish. And as you can see, I do have internet access. Google came right up. Alright, that's the end of this video, except let me show you how the device on the wall looks. All lights